Hello everybody, it's me Peppa. George! Yes, Peppa! We are ready to prepare delicious ice creams and popsicles with our new ice cream truck playset. Mommy and Daddy!
Hello, Peppa. Ho, ho, ho.
Hola, amigos. Today we're going to play with this. With Peppas! Ice cream! Space shop! Yay! You see, it's going to make ice cream! Peppa! Hi, amigos. Hello!
Hello there! Hello, Olivia!
Hi! Now we have a toy for you.
Oh, thank you so much! What is that, Olivia?
This is going to be Peppa's ice cream shop place.
Oh, it's
This car. You see in the picture the car? Hi, Peppa.
This is an ice cream playset. Me and my brother George, we are going to make delicious ice creams with you.
Yeah, but that's me.
Jumping monkey puzzle.
Okay,
Jumping in muddy puddles.
let's start, Olivia.
You want to make ice cream or you want to jump in muddy puddles?
I wanna do both.
Both. First you make this. Let's go open it. You will want this.
You have to ask help to your mama or your papa on the place.
Hi, Peppa.
Hello, George.
What are you doing?
Today we are going to make delicious ice creams.
Well, I went swimming and I like to have ice cream.
And Olivia is unboxing the playset of the ice cream truck of PlayDoh. There is the ice cream truck and 5 colors of PlayDoh.
Thunder Peppa. Has a
Oh,
teddy.
it's a teddy. Oh, it's a dinosaur.
Comes with a blue knife. Lindy, Lindy, Lindy,
Comes with a PlayDoh. Look at how many colors come.
Ding, 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 ding.
Comes with the truck,
And-
the ice cream truck, and 5 different colors of
Brown. This is how you get it out.
And it also comes with the ice cream shapes. Show, Olivia.
This is a color with 2 ice creams and it's pink.
Ah, this is to make the cones, the ice cream cones.
Yeah. A basket.
The popsicle
And the candy on the ice cream.
and the chain for the teddy ice cream. What else?
Ah.
Cone and the popsicle
kidding.
sticks. Very nice.
Let's get it. Knife. A blue knife, but always call your dad and your mother to cut this.
You have to be careful to using scissors and knives. Better you ask help to Mama and Papa so you don't hurt yourself.
It's a Play-Doh knife.
Peppa is coming here, Olivia.
Hmm.
Hello, Olivia.
Hi. Give me more.
Olivia is making the teddy. Olivia is making a teddy bear popsicle.
Now you put the other one up. Then you put the other.
Oh, that's right. We place the popsicle shape on the truck and the popsicle stick on the shape. And Olivia is using red Play-Doh to create a red popsicle. Now she's placing the Play-Doh over the shape. And then she will use the other side to cover it. Popsicle shape. with both sides. Now she closes the truck lid. And now she got a popsicle, strawberry popsicle.
Very good. What color is your popsicle?
It's red.
Red.
Spanish
Rojo.
rojo.
Muy bien. Very good.
Now Olivia is creating an ice cream cone, a blue ice cream cone. She's placing the shapes on the truck. She's placing the Play-Doh, the blue Play-Doh, and then the stick over the Play-Doh. Olivia created this beautiful blue ice cream cone and this red popsicle. Now I'm creating a beautiful chocolate popsicle with the brown Play-Doh. Yes, look at me. It's me, Peppa Pig. In the top of the truck, you can find many shapes. There is the dog, a cherries, a banana, a lot of things. Now I'm creating another popsicle for my daddy Pig.
Yes, Peppa. Ho, ho, ho. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Daddy. I hope you enjoy and you like it.
Oh, ho, ho. Yes, Peppa. Thank you.
Now with pink Play-Doh, I'm creating a pink popsicle for my Mommy Pig. Thank you, George. You're welcome, Mommy Pig. Dinosaur. Wow. Did you see it has a dinosaur shape? That is very sweet, George. I love color pink too. Now with yellow Play-Doh, I will create a banana using the shapes that are on the top of my truck. My beautiful ice cream truck. Did you see? I create a little banana, a yellow banana, to put over my ice cream cone as a decoration. Now with the red Play-Doh, I will create a little strawberry to put over my ice cream cone as a decoration. Look at that beautiful little strawberry. It will look good over my ice cream cone. Oops, my little banana fall down. Don't worry, I will put it again. Now with the same color red, I will make a heart, a little heart to put over my ice cream cone as a decoration, like this. And with the pink Play-Doh, I will create a little flower. And then I will put it over my ice cream cone as a decoration too. Did you like it? It looks so delicious. Now with the brown Play-Doh, I will create a chocolate dog. Yes. Now using light blue color, I will create a little ice cream cone, a blue ice cream cone for my little brother George. Because blue is his favorite color. Right, George? Yes, Peppa. I love blue color. Thank you, Peppa. You're welcome, George. Do you know what is my favorite color? That's right, color red. I love red, so I'm making for me a beautiful red popsicle. It will be so yummy and beautiful too. Now, all of us, we are enjoying our ice creams.
Oh, the ice cream's here. Wow. Peppa loves to make ice creams.
Now Olivia is placing the ice cream cones and the ice cream popsicles inside the truck.
Mama,
Hello, Peppa.
come. You want ice cream? Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, yeah.
What do you like? You like a blue one?
Oh, yes.
What
I
is
love
up in
blue
the
ice cream.
truck? Ice cream. I have this ice cream. $3. What did you want?
Oh, I would like an orange ice cream or red or pink ice cream. Popsicle.
Open up our truck.
Of course, that looks delicious.
Like ice cream.
Of course, I love ice cream and bicycles. Wow, that's huge.
Ice cream. Peppa, George.
Yes, Peppa?
Look at my Play-Doh.
Wow.
Make Play-Doh!
I PlayDoh. The next day was Father's Day. Peppa, George, wake up! Today is Father's Day. We have to prepare everything. Happy Father's Day, Teddy Pig!
Thank you, kids. Ho, ho, ho.
Hope you enjoyed this little video. We made it with love for you.
Ho, ho, ho. Thank you, kids.
See you next time. Please subscribe to our little channel